This is the Mamibot W120 window cleaning robot with iGLASSBOT app for remote control. It can do glass as well as tiles in the bathroom and includes a full safety guarantee. But why choose it? Because it has intelligent cleaning routes, clean your high-rise windows in a safe and easier way, offers you a new way of window cleaning, third general square robot window cleaner with stylish design and good performance, the 10 best smart devices of IFA 2018. This is totally easy operation because you control your robot in 3 simple ways, with the app with a one-touch key or the remote. Or AI smart cleaning modes. It has multiple smart modes, in patterns of Z, N, or Z to N, which is highly efficient and effective as you can see from the diagrams. The microfiber cleaner head is safe for all glass and very effective. The design covers 99% of the glass surface, and returns back to its own starting position when complete. It works on both framed and frameless glass including tables, even smooth floors, and wall surfaces. Multi-levels of safety guarantee, multi-direction anti-falling sensors, with a strong safety rope, equipped, the built-in UPS battery helps the robot adhere to windows for 20 minutes or more. It also has an alarm if the power supply is suddenly cut. This means it has many applications especially offices or shop windows, cleaning both internally as well as externally. Not forgetting smooth tiles of bathrooms or ceramic walls and other smooth surfaces. So this is the modern and intelligent way to clean windows. Save yourself the effort and stress, you can just relax while the job is done for you. No need for expensive window cleaners who want to be paid every week. Save money, save time. Please subscribe for more videos on exciting technology products.